Hello, Cactus Valley Elementary parents. This is Toni Yorty. I'm a third grade teacher here at Cactus Valley. I'm also a parent, so I'm going to show you how to set up an eFunds account to pay for your child's student supplies. As many of you know, kindergartners through fourth graders will have their supplies bought for them by their homeroom teacher so that you don't have to haul in a bunch of boxes of Kleenex and pencils and folders and things like that. We'll have everything set up for your kiddo when they get to school. If your child happens to be in fifth grade, there is a list that is posted on the garfieldre2.net website, and you can access that list. You should also have gotten it from your homeroom teacher already. But to access our eFunds account to pay for our student supplies, we're going to go to garfieldre2.net. Then you're going to go to our district. Then you're going to go down to food and nutrition. As you're down in food and nutrition, on this left-hand side, you'll see a selection for eFunds. Click on eFunds. Okay. Once you're in eFunds, even if you have a login for eFunds already, you can also click on the same link here that says set up an account. So either way, whether you need to set up an account or you already have one, you can click on the same link through our district website, and that makes it real easy. If you need to create an account, you're going to click on this bottom selection on the left-hand side. You can choose your own username, choose your own password, and then enter in your information, your parent information. This is not where you put your student information. That comes in just a second. I'll show you where that is. Once you're done putting all that information in, this box right here will turn green and you click Create an Account. Once you've created an account, you can go to Log In. Now this is my personal information here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then I want to make sure that my students are linked to my account. So on the left-hand side, you have Manage Account, Manage Students. Click on that. You can see my two students are already in my account. But if you needed to add a student to your account, you're going to need two pieces of information. The first piece is the last name of which they're registered under. And you're going to need their 5-digit student ID. Some kids know this as the first part of their email address. Some of them also know it as their lunch number. Again, it's a 5-digit number. It'll stay the same until they graduate from one of our high schools. If you need that number, contact your child's homeroom teacher or contact our main office, and they can help you with that number. Once you get them linked into or once you put that information in here, click Add Students, then they're linked into your account, and you can hit Continue to Home. Now, again, my daughter is a fifth grader at Cactus Valley, so I won't be paying for her $30 fee. We've already bought her supplies, but we're going to pretend for this video that she is, let's say, a third grader. And I'm going to click on Mallory, and I'm going to go down here to Student Supply, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to add that $30 to my cart, and then I'm going to begin the checkout process. And the checkout process is the same checkout process you would have for anything you order online. You can use a credit card or a debit card, and then they will pay that, and then a email will be sent to the school. They'll let our financial secretary know that everything's been paid, and your child is all set to come back to school. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call our main office. It is 970-665-7850. We truly hope all of you are doing well, and we can't wait to welcome you all back to school. Thanks so much.